Download the Adobe Premiere Rush from Play Store or App Store, and this is the Premiere Rush application, and also you can get the link from description.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you.
Now open your Adobe Premiere Rush and create a new project, and write down your project title here. I just write Sunday Vibes. Now just like Premiere, and now you need to import your video, that means the footages, into Rush. So go to the videos and tick one by one, and also you can import the photos or anything. So after ticking everything, and now click on create. Now this is a Premiere Rush interface. This is the toolbar, and here is the sequence and project window, and you can import anything from here. And this is the toolbar, that means the effects control the windows, and you can get the color correction and sound effects, everything from here. Now here's the two option. You can expand the timeline, and this is the different types of timeline except the Premiere Pro, and you can switch between there. Now if you just play this one, and you can cut the video here and delete the video that you don't need. So and also you can cut like this, just drag and just slide the starting or ending video. You can also cut like this, just like Premiere. This is the two method you can crop your clip. So I just fast my cutting process like this. Now I need to import audio, so click on the plus button and choose the audio. Here is the songs. You can choose any song from your library. I use a non-copyrighted sound because of the copyright issue. So you can slide the and drag and drop your audio. Here is a problem. The videos audio also working, so you need to mute the audio. You can use the two methods. So here is the one method. Go to the main timeline and mute the entire layer 1 audio, mute. And also here is the sound panel, and select the video, and here is the mute option. You can separately mute the audios. This is the two method. So I use the entire video layers mute, and I think the third video is not good for here, so I need to replace this video. So here is the plus button to import another video, and select the video what you want to import, and press the add button. So the video is replaced, and I need to cut the video again. So I just speed up my process, the cutting process. So, and also I just crop the audio layer also, and delete rest of piece. Now this is the basics, and here is a so many toolbar you can available. And first is the titles, and Premiere Rush also given a default titles here, and also you can purchase from Adobe stock. And I just drag and drop a title into timeline, and now you can control everything in titles edit option. And this is select the title and go to the edit option, and this is the motion title. You can control the size of the text size, and you can also control the font and everything, and text spacing and everything is you can control. And also here is the color to control. I just change the text color into a pink or red tone. And also you can control the shadows of text and everything. And here is the shape options here. I think only color option here. I just change the color into a pink or Tiffany color. Now this is the title option, and also you can change the font style from here. And Adobe give a default font from Adobe Rush, and also control the font style. You can choose the slim or bold, anything as per your font style. And if you double tap on the text, you can change the title and change the text into Sunday vibes as per your project. Now if you want to change the position, click on the title, and you can move the title from project window, the program window, and you can control the position, rotation, everything. Now title is okay. And also I think Premiere Rush also given so many titles like call out or lower third, everything they given. Now here is the color preset option, and you can color grade your video like this. This is the default color preset, and if you want to manually adjust your color tone, and go to the none, and here is the edit option, and you can control everything separate. I think it's just like lumetri option, and you can change the saturation, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, everything from here. And if you tick on the advanced, you can get the advanced toolbar. And also you can control the temperature and everything. And I just use the preset for here and apply the same preset for everything. Now this is the audio option. You can control the audio from here, and this is the transition, and you can add a transition between sounds and between videos, and just drag and drop the transition into in between of two videos. I just add a cross dissolve into here, and you can see the transition applied here. Now if you want to adjust the transition time, the transition duration, you can just zoom the timeline and apply a transition, and just zoom the timeline and increase the transition duration by just press and drag at the end of transition slide. And I just adjust the transition for every videos. And at the end I add a dip to black for ending video goes to black, and also add a transition into a audio layer for fade out the audio volume. Now here is the option you can control your video portrait or landscape, or if you want to make a square video you can control from here, and every setting you can get from here. Now you can share your project from share option and go to the video, your photos or your gallery, you can get the video. And if you are a serious video maker using iPad, I suggest you to use the Luma Fusion. This is a more advanced and more beautiful video editing application for iPad. This is the best iPad video editing application ever I seen, and hope you enjoy it. See you.